It's Jason from Feature Radiators. So today we're going to take a look at accessories for radiators. So you've got your lovely new looking radiator, you need to think about anything else that you need to go with it. The first thing you're definitely going to need are valves. Got a fantastic range of valves on the website to view. They come in lots of different finishes. We just need to know whether your pipes come out of the wall or the floor so we can give you the best option to suit you. So different valves, like I say, come in different finishes to either complement the look of the radiator, so the sort of finish of the radiator, or other fittings in the house. So this is our lovely bare metal lacquered core radiator, and here we've got the Kingsley thermostatic valves in a black nickel finish. As you can see, they really marry up with the radiator finish really well. Or you might have a different style like our Victorian 3 radiator here. So on here we've got antique brass Bentley valves on there. So let's say you've got antique brass light switches and sockets through the house. That sort of carries on the theme through the house as well. Or you might want something a little bit more decorative. Again, plenty of options. These are our Chartwell thermostatic valves. And over here we have got our Temple thermostatic valves. Both come in lots of different finishes. Also antique brass and black nickel as an option as well. Or you might want a more modern valve. Again, loads of options. So if I bring you over here, we'll just show you some of these. So these are our elegant thermostatic valves in black nickel. Got the lovely cylindrical shaped floor valves in a brushed nickel finish. And these are our Alpha thermostatic valves in an antique brass finishes. They come in lots of other options as well. Other valves that you might want to consider, so other options, I'll just bring you over here again. These are our Waldorf manual lever valves. As you can see, they've got a really nice wooden handle on them. Or these are our riding thermostatic valves over here, which have got a Bakelite style thermostatic head on them. So now you've sorted your valves out, the other thing to consider would be a sleeving kit is a really nice finishing touch. So again, we'll go over here and I'll show you what I mean. So this radiator is set up with a sleeving kit. So instead of seeing copper pipework coming through, it's a sleeve with nice collars that go to the floor so it all marries up nice and neatly. They come in lots of different finishes. So this is an antique brass version, as you can see here. So lots of different finishes to complement the finish of the valves as well. Another thing to consider, let's say you've got you want a radiator for your kitchen or your bathroom. So you don't necessarily want a ladder towel rail. You still want some hanging space. Again, you can accessorise your radiator. So this is our core radiator again, with a chrome towel bar on it. They come in different sizes depending on the size of the radiator. Or another option might be something like a towel hanging peg, as you can see on that radiator there. Now, all of our radiators will come with air vents as standard, so you can bleed the radiators when necessary. The type that you get will depend on the radiator that you choose. So for example, these are air vents that we use in the cast iron radiators. As you can see, they're really nice and neat anyway, but it's possible to get other types of air vent in different finishes as well. For example, your anthracites, your antique brass, your coppers, if you want a little bit more detail to it as well. All of our cast iron radiators come with wall stays as standard. So on this radiator here, you can see the normal wall stay you get there in the galvanised steel. As you can see, you can get colour-coded wall stays as well. Or if you want a really nice finishing touch to it, these are our luxury wall stays here. Again, they come in lots of different finishes. So I hope the video's helped you. If you need any more help, you can give us a call, you can email us, use online chat, the comment section below, or as always, please come to the showroom, we're happy to help you. Cheers.